guys, happy Saturday to everyone, and today I'm gonna show you on how I'll make my I'm gonna cook today a seafood. So I have a crabs. So I have 4 of this. See, look how big it is. It's massive. So I have this. Actually, we've gone yesterday, which is Friday, to Waterfront Fish Market. So I have bought 4 of this, which is 1 kg. And I'm gonna also put some shrimp. I have a shrimp also. So I just have to cook it. Have to cook this, and the ingredients that I'll be using for this are the following. I'll be needing some oyster sauce, and of course I'm gonna use some Sprite. This is like 500 ml, but I'm just gonna use around half of this, so 250. And of course we're gonna use some oil. I'm using olive oil, but any oil you have, that's also fine. And I'm gonna use as well lime or lemon. And I have here a chopped of garlic. This is about 5 cloves chop of garlic. And of course we need salt to taste. So now, without further ado, let's get started. Now our pan is heated up. Now it's time for us to put our olive oil. So I'm gonna put around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now we just have to damp our garlic. Just have to saute just a few seconds. And now, time to add our crab. We'll just have to put our shrimp later when our crab is half cooked, because shrimp, it doesn't take time to cook, and then if you overcook the shrimp, it's become hard or rubberized. So first, just have to cook our crabs, and we're gonna put Sprite now. So the Sprite will actually cook the crabs. So I'm gonna put the Sprite. And just cover this. Cover this for 5 minutes, and then we'll have to add the salt and the oyster sauce. And now let's check if this has been simmer for 5 minutes. So as you can see, it has changed the color. It's becoming orange. So now it's time for us to put the other ingredients. So now I'm gonna put some oyster sauce. Just about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce.
Hello guys.
Yes, Isabella's here.
We just want to see what's going on here.
Yep. Then just cover it again.
Who is Mama's talking?
Then you have to cover again, and then just wait, and then later we can put our shrimp. I don't want the soup, guys. This is there's a liquid here, but I'm gonna cook this until the water will evaporate. So it's becoming a dry seafood dish.
Mama, what's evaporate, Mama?
Evaporate means when the water is gone. And now, as you can see, it's changed the color. We have to flip this over. So it's also cooked on the other side. My pan, I think, is just too small for my crabs, but that's fine.
If you have a bigger one, you can put the crab, right, Mama?
Yep.
It only changed color, it's like orange color.
Yeah.
Mama, like the crab.
Now
chip.
in this time, we can add our shrimp,
Yes.
and I want to add also my lemon.
Mama, can I have
Actually, this is my own version, guys. So
Very
this-
hard for this version.
this is my recipe actually.
Mama, can I help you, but?
No, you cannot help me out. It's hot and very dangerous.
But can I just help you for later?
Yes. So you just have to add on our shrimp.
So Mama, can I do that lemon squeezing one?
Yes.
Or it's too hot for me to do it also?
It's too hot.
Pick that up, Mama. And you need to clean over there.
Yes, I know.
I don't want to clean it. I don't want light shrimp to clean. Well, what? This is shrimp or anything?
Yes, shrimp. And now we can add our lime.
Yes. Squeeze it all up, Mama.
Yes.
Now, what are these covered lime for?
Oh, just for another.
Video?
Yes.
Another nice video. Guys, Mama's gonna do another video, so don't worry. After this, right? Oh, wow.
Enough talking na.
Okay, Mama.
So let's just open the. No need to cover it now.
Yes,
Because we just have to cook our shrimp, which is it doesn't take time, and also it will also help to evaporate the water quickly. So just leave it open.
Of course.
Actually, it's not the water; it was the Sprite. So. And now we can add our salt. Just half teaspoon of salt. So it's becoming, because it's already sweet, so we have to balance the sweetness from the Sprite. So we have to add the salt. As you can see, the water has evaporated already and it's become caramelized. So this is what we want. So this is cooked now. It's all caramelized. So now we have to transfer this in a plate. As you can see, it is very nice. Those like this brown dark color, those are actually caramelized from the Sprite and oyster sauce. So that's how it looks like. Oops, sorry. This is how it looks like, my shrimp and crabs in oyster sauce and Sprite. Just when having this one, what you call this, the caramelized, it's very nice. This is very nice. Please try and give me the feedback once you try this recipe and comment down below. And if you like this recipe, guys, please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time we have the new uploads.
Give a thumbs up so you won't miss anything of our videos.
Yes, so I hope to see you to our next one. Bye!
Bye.